The purpose of this video is to explain the review process for my class. Now, for you hybrid students who see me in class 2 days a week, we will be conducting a review through question and answer session. So I'll ask questions, you answer them, and that information that we go over together, that is what you will highlight. For the days that you are learning from home and my virtual only students, what you're going to have to do is use these copies of student notes, and this is a student, one of my top students that I've had in the past, whose notes that I have borrowed, and I have highlighted the most important information that we went over in previous PowerPoints. So of course you're looking at a typed outline of your copy, and this should match your typed outline. We haven't always done typed outlines, so that's why this is written notes. But again, you can use this to basically replicate what you have. What you see highlighted here on the screen, that is what you need to highlight in your notes. And what it does is it narrows down your focus for studying. It takes the mystery out of studying. It helps you know what is important for quiz and test purposes. Now, if you don't have a highlighter, then you can either star or circle these key things in your notes. So there are other ways to make these things stand out if you truly don't have highlighters. Use what works best for you. And of course, always let me know if you have questions. This review will be every day after we have gone over notes. So expect to see these on Canvas, and make sure you're doing your part by reading over your notes every day for about 10 or 15 minutes. That will help you understand it better. It'll stay fresh on your mind, and you're not waiting until the last minute to cram all of this together for a quiz and test. You want to study a little bit at a time so it'll all build on each other, and then you will feel a little bit more comfortable and have confidence going into quiz day, and then of course a test. So please let me know if you have any questions about how this review is conducted, and again, expect them the day after we have taken notes.